China is even though not the biggest nation in the world by size, but it is the most populated country on the earth with over 1.3 billion population. This country has about 102 cities and called the nation with the most number of cities on the planet Earth. Officially, this country is known as People's Republic of China. From the last 3 decades, China has the fastest growing economy for over 30 years. It is the biggest exporter and now is considered as the world's highest economy. In nominal GDP, it has the second highest economy in the world, which means that China is one of the richest country in the world. Interesting to know that China has only one time zone, Chinese Standard Zone, which means the sunrise can be as late as 10 a.m. Did you think that the United States of America has the largest standing army in the world? Yes, again, because the mighty superpower China has 1 million more army than United States of America. So that's the reason I called it the mighty superpower. And if we talk about the personnel other than army, then there are more than 30 to 40 million Chinese men than Chinese women. And this is one of the biggest problem faced by the Chinese people after the one-child policy from the last 2 decades. But unfortunately, Chinese people want son, not a daughter. This is a tradition in the society of Chinese. China is the 4th largest country by area, but its railway are so much expanded throughout the country that even if we try to expand the railway of China, then it could loop 2 times around the earth. No country in the world is growing as China is growing. The cities are transformed fastly, and on average there is a skyscraper made every 5 days around any city in the China. In the period of 365 days, China gets at least 73 new skyscrapers, in which some of them are the tallest skyscrapers in the world. One of the world's famous social media app, Facebook, has been banned since 2009 in China. Even instead of using YouTube, they have an app called as Youku Todo used in China because of the higher censorship in internet and apps as well. Every single panda living on the planet Earth belongs to China, except of 2 pandas living in the zoo of Mexico City does not belongs to China. But except these 2 pandas, all pandas belongs to China. Moreover, Chinese people are the biggest travel spenders all around the world. They spend about $260 billion every year, 2 times more than USA travelers. Ice cream was also invented in China about 4,000 years ago. It is said that the Kublai Khan, the founder of Yuan dynasty, made this ice cream by adding some preserves in his favorite cold drink. Number 4 is considered as an unlucky number for the Chinese people because it is associated with death. This thing I would call the magic of art. The Terracotta Army, located in Xi'an, China, which took 37 years to build. It consists of 8,000 clay soldiers built to guard an emperor's tomb. China is home to a world-class universities, hospitals, UNESCO sites after Italy, technology, and much more. This was all about the China, the People's Republic of China, I can say. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. EOS Gain to Create.